Have you ever wondered why narcissists seem to single out such kind and giving and empathetic people? You know what? Let's rewind. Let's start from this other angle. Let's start by clearing away all the blame. Okay? If you've ever found yourself in a relationship with a narcissist, don't beat yourself up. It's not a sign of weakness or being naive. In fact, it's often the opposite. Narcissists are drawn to people who are compassionate and attentive to others' needs, genuinely giving people. If you were chosen, take it as, I guess, kind of a backhanded compliment. It means that you have a quality of empathy and warmth that narcissists crave, but they themselves can never truly possess. So, after surviving narcissistic abuse, it's common to question your worth. Narcissists they thrive by devaluing others, using criticism and gaslighting to keep you doubting yourself. They want you to believe that you're not enough. But remember, this is a reflection of their own emptiness, not your value. The reality is, people who are kind and loving and willing to see the best in others make ideal targets for narcissists. Your ability to love deeply and to give so much is a strength. It's not a flaw. Don't let it be something that's used against you or turned into a reason for self blame. So, how do we move forward and reclaim your self worth? Start by acknowledging the truth. You were manipulated by someone who exploits good qualities for their own gain. This isn't your fault, and it doesn't make you damaged. Instead, it means that you have qualities like open heartedness and empathy that are immensely valuable. Begin rebuilding by connecting with those strengths instead of seeing them as vulnerabilities. Practice self compassion. Remind yourself of your innate worth and surround yourself with supportive people who value you for who you are. And affirm to yourself. Now, I, I know it seems kind of corny, and it reminds me of the old Saturday Night Live affirmation skit. But it's probably a good idea for you to tell yourself as many times as you need, you are worthy, you are safe, and everything is going to be okay. It's important to process what you've been through, to grieve the loss of trust, the pain of manipulation, and maybe even a little of your own anger and regret. Healing isn't about denying what happened, it's about recognizing your resilience and rebuilding from a place of self love. Again, sounds corny, but that's one of the biggest things that I'm still going through. Forgiving myself for feeling responsible for all this crap. Don't rush the journey. Focus on being present, patient, and gentle with yourself as you rediscover your true self, the one before the MBH, that narcissistic butthead, right? The person the narcissist tried so hard to diminish, but ultimately could not destroy. If you walk away with one thing, let it be this: your kindness, empathy, and generosity are your superpowers. They are not your weakness, and they can never be taken from you. Take pride in those traits and use them now to nurture yourself as fiercely as you once cared for someone else. You are more than enough, and you absolutely deserve happiness and love and peace. We love you, and we want you to be happy.